Guardians are not in, no, doesn't get involved. So next sentence. Uh, what is the next sentence? We thought.
सर थर्ड वाले में एक और
Yes,
डैश है.
another adjective we need to write. And
Dangerous.
what would be the adjective of danger?
Dangerous.
Yes, dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yes, right. So these are the two options for the third sentence. Now let's talk about the fourth one. In the fourth sentence, a noun is given there. It is
Fun.
fun. So what would be the adjective of fun? Funny.
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 Easy one. Don't make fun of funny. इसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Now the next sentence. It is fifth one. So crocodile looked sleepy. Sleep is noun. Its adjective would be sleepy.
Sleepy. Sleepy.
Are you also all feeling sleepy? तुम लोगों को भी नींद आ रही है अभी?
No, sir. नहीं आ रही है.
अभी
No,
सो
sir.
This is that girl is telling the truth. Many of you must have just awoken right now. अभी जगे होंगे सब लोग. अब पता नहीं नहाए.
No, sir. वही अभी सो के उठी है.
नहीं
सर मैं नहा भी ली हूँ लेकिन अभी नहीं.
सर हम भी नहा लिए.
I'm just joking. I know that you all sincere students. You
Yes,
are all
sir.
very disciplined students. Next
Yes,
sentence.
sir.
Or at the end, there are two words. Another word is danger. So we already have.
Dangerous.
Yeah, no, written the
Dangerous.
adjective, yes,
Dangerous.
Now let's talk about the sixth one. In the sixth sentence, at the end of the day, we left the. Yes. Can anyone tell me what would be the adjective of tired? Because I don't think anyone of you would be able to.
Tired.
Not right option. None of you has given the right option. Right. It would be tired.
Yes, sir.
Tiresome. Tire. What is the meaning of tiresome? If something is tiresome for you, it's annoying for you. It's something you don't like doing such works. So if you are doing that work is tiresome for you, that work annoys you. It means you don't take interest in doing that things. So adjective would be tire. Adjective for the tire would be tiresome.
Yes, sir.
Next one, students. Here, Mr. Gulati is an. We need to add D. Experience जो दिया उसमें D जोड़ दीजिए. Experienced.
Experienced.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You need to add ed at last of the word. In the next sentence, let's see. Responsibility. Responsibility is a noun. So what would be the adjective of it? Responsible.
Responsible.
Responsible would be the adjective of responsibility. So in the eighth sentence, you please mention responsible. And in the next sentence, which is ninth sentence, comprehensive. Comprehension adjective would be comprehensive. Comprehensive means, students, including everything. If something is comprehensive, then it is complete. Everything has been included in that thing. That is comprehensive. Or last sentence, the spring is, what would be the adjective? You all try to tell me. What would be adjective in the 10th sentence?
Pleasant.
Pleasantry is already there.
Pleasant.
Pleasant. Yes, right option. Its adjective would be pleasant. So you please fill it. Pleasant. What would Now we will start the exercise C. Is there any problem in this exercise to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we will start the next exercise. Exercise C. So let anyone read the instruction what we need to do in the exercise C. क्या हमें करना है पढ़ो. Read the instruction.
Tick the correct
Pick
word
the
in
correct
each
word in each sentence, then write the type of adjectives.
Yes. Already the two options are there. So in the very first sentence, everyone and each one of the mangoes is ripe. So here we are
Each one.
addressing, yes, each one would be the right. Reason is that because there are so many mangoes and we are addressing individually to them. So the right option would be each of them.
Each of.
Each
of them.
each
One.
of would be the each one. Beg your pardon.
Sir, each one होगा.
Yes, each one. So, already we have studied. You just all tell me which type of adjective is this one. Type of adjective बताइए आप लोग.
Adjective of number.
Adjective of number. Yesterday.
Yes,
we just, no, wrong. We just yesterday studied
Adjective of quantity.
Adjective quantity.
not quantity.
Sir, adjective of quantity.
Sir,
distributive.
Distributive.
नहीं नहीं.
Yesterday
Sir,
we
distributive
studied-
adjective.
Yes, distributive
Distribute.
adjective. Distributive adjective. This one, each, every, either, neither is distributive pronoun as well as distributive adjective. And I have explained when they are distributive pronoun and when they are distributive adjective. In the next sentence, two options are given there. Who and whom are you talking about? So what is the right option?
Whom? Whom?
Yes,
Whom?
because we need to use, yes, whom and who we need to use for the object. So whom is used as objective case. Whom का use होता है. So right
Sir,
option would be-
interrogative adjective.
yes.
Adjective. Interrogative adjective.
Good. Interrogative adjective. In third sentence, find out. She told me that there wasn't to help her anyone or no one. What would be the right option?
No one.
No one. No one.
Remember, students, when already wasn't is the negative word is there. Was not is already there. So we can't use double negative word in the same sentence.
Sir, anyone.
Anyone.
Yes, anyone. Because
Anyone.
we can't use double negative words in the same sentence. Anyone would be the.
Anyone.
Now tell me its kind or type. Which type of adjective is this
Sir,
one?
distributive adjective.
Not distributive adjective.
Quantity. Quantity. Adjective
We will
quantity.
also make a person, no, divide someone in the quantity. Quantity में किसी को बताओगे, किस व्यक्ति को?
No, sir.
Anyone to help her.
Number.
So already students, there is indefinite adjective as well. So adjective is not
number है.
indefinite adjective must not be given, but it would be indefinite adjective. Because we are talking about somebody about whom we don't know anything. उसके बारे में हमें कुछ पता नहीं है. So it is not given. This type of adjective, indefinite adjective, is not given in a book, but you note it down or write it down. It's an indefinite adjective. INDEFINIT, indefinite adjective. And this could be wrong as well because indefinite adjective, indefinite number is there, students. As far as number is concerned, number is there, indefinite number there, but I don't think that indefinite adjective is there. So you rather writing it indefinite adjective, write it indefinite pronoun because the option is wrong there in the sentence. Sentence में wrong option दिया हुआ है. There is no indefinite adjective in adjective. So right option would be indefinite pronoun. You note it down. Because the option is wrong. जो दिया हुआ sentence ही गलत दिया हुआ है. In the next sentence, I don't want to eat.
Anything.
Yes.
Anything.
Already negative word is there in the
Anything.
sentence.
Anything.
Anything.
So ये भी indefinite pronoun.
Yes.
सर
this
ये
one-
भी indefinite
Yes, this
pronoun
one
है.
is also indefinite pronoun. This is not indefinite adjective. Again, it's indefinite pronoun. They just, I don't know how they published the book, but they have given the, now put the right sentence, put the wrong sentence into the exercise. Now let's see the another exercise, next exercise, next, not exercise, next sentence. Are your books? So, which option would be the right one? That or those? Those.
Sir, those.
Yes. No, that is something used for the singular one. You can see the books S is added there. It means we are talking about the so many things. So those is used for the plural things.
Those.
This one is right. Demonstrative.
Sir, demonstrative adjective.
Demonstrative adjective.
Yes, demonstrative adjective. In sixth sentence, I never met her father or her father.
Hers.
Her father.
Hers is pronoun. It is not used before noun. Her is possessive adjective. So right option would be her.
Her.
This one is the possessive adjective. So you can write
Possessive
here,
adjective.
possessive adjective.
Possessive
Are you
adjective.
able to understand? Are you getting all these things or just noting it down? समझ में भी आ रहा है केवल नोट ही कर रहे हो?
सर समझ में भी आ रहा है.
में भी आ रहा
Because
है.
it's important for you to understand that why we are writing all these things.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
किसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? Tell your name and what you are not able to get. क्यों चुपचाप बैठे हो? Why are you not telling? क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? बताइए. What is your name? Who said he is not able to understand? Please tell me again. Now he has vanished. गायब हो गए. Again, I am asking if anyone is not able to understand anything. Please tell. Let me know. बताओ मुझे. Any doubt? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No,
Let's see
sir.
the next sentence. Smita's voice than mine. So, what would be the right
Sweeter.
option? Sweeter.
Sweeter.
Because here
Sweeter.
we need to use comparative degree. So, sweeter would be the comparative degree. Sweeter. And which type of adjective is quality?
Quality.
Yes, this one is the
Quality है.
quality adjective.
Quality.
Because only in the quality adjective, we can make comparative degree, superlative degree, and positive degree. Now let's talk about the next sentence. Niharika is again the same sort of sentence. उसी तरह का sentence है. What would be the right option?
Thinner.
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 And what would be the kind of adjective?
The quality.
Quality. Sir, quality.
Quality. Yes, right. Quality. In the ninth sentence, the store at the corner is closer than supermarket.
Closer than the supermarket.
Closer than the super.
Same.
Closer than the super.
Next sentence, 10th. Yesterday was the hottest day of the season. So whenever there is hottest, yes,
Hottest.
you can also notice article there. So whenever there is article already, then always superlative degree is used. So right option
Yes.
will be hottest.
Hottest.
The quality adjective.
Again same.
Quality.
Quality. This is the again article is there. So what would be the right option?
Shortest.
Again superlative. Again same thing you can mention.
Bravest. Quality.
We have finished this exercise as well. Now, if you have any doubt, honestly, you tell me, frankly, you can tell me, then I will try to explain.
One fill in the blank is left. Sir, one question.
Which one? Number 12.
Number 12.
Okay, now you all tell me what would be the right option in this sentence.
The bravest.
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 Who is the bravest man? Already article is there. So whenever there is article, particularly the, then we need to always use superlative degree.
Quality adjective.
Bravest.
Again, same thing you can mention here.
Quality.
Adjective. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will see the next exercise. Underline the adjective and write their types in the given space. We need to underline. First, you need to find out, then underline it, and then write its type. So you all try to find out the adjective in the first sentence. Where is the adjective in the first sentence? Try to find out. You read the sentence carefully and by yourself try to find out where is adjective in the first sentence. Has anyone found? किसी को पता चला adjective in the first sentence? This narrow passage will lead you to the hospital in one short time. Is anyone able to find out the adjective in the first sentence?
Narrow.
Narrow, yes, right. Narrow is the adjective.
No, sir.
Narrow is the adjective. Underline it. इसको underline कीजिए आप लोग. And narrow is it's just telling the quality of the passage. So it's quality. Passage की quality बता रहे कि narrow है, पतला है. So here it's quality. As far as its type is concerned, type में quality लिखोगे and again which word is the adjective?
Adjective नहीं लिखेंगे.
आगे adjective नहीं लिखेंगे. Listen what you need to do. Underline the adjective. So this word is the adjective one. इसको underline करो and you need to write the types in the given space. So in the given space you write just quality. उसमें quality लिख दीजिए.
तो सर quality
Yes, ask. Is there any problem? क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
Sir, no भी the adjective of number है.
Where is no? In no time.
No time.
Adjective of number. Quantity you can tell me. You can tell it. Call it quantity. Adjective of quantity. You can also underline this word, and you can also write in the given space. Yes, it is also adjective of quantity. Quantity. First one is who is telling it number?
Sir, no number है.
Who is telling it number?
Sir, no number है.
No number है.
सर आप ही देख लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Adjective है.
How you can
No
say
is
it is
number.
Who is saying it is number?
Sir, मैं.
Who? Please tell. Arushi Giri. Just let me explain you whether it is a number or quantity. Let me explain you. When I am talking about, it can be used both as a number as a quantity. Just try to understand what I am saying. No word can be used as a number, adjective of number, and adjective of quantity as well. For example, if I say there is no student, there is no student in the class. So in this we have used no. Here we have used it before the countable noun. We can count the number of students. So here no adjective has been used before the countable noun. So here it is number. Number है यहाँ पे. But in the sentence given in the exercise, it's no time. No टाइम दिया हुआ है. To it means time you can't count. It's uncountable noun. So whenever you see no word has been used before uncountable noun, then it is quantity. And whenever you see it has been used before the countable noun, it is number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused.
Yes, sir.
So here you are also right. Whenever it is used before the countable noun, it is number. But whenever it is used before the uncountable noun, it shows the quantity. Is it clear?
Quantity.
So in this sentence, it's showing the quantity. Okay, now let's move to the second sentence. There is no water in this glass. Again, same sort of sentence.
No.
जैसे
No.
क्वालिटी हो गया ये.
Yes, here again, no word is
The quantity.
your adjective,
Quantity.
but it here again showing quantity. Quantity.
Sir, quantity.
Yes, quantity would be the right. Clear? Why it is called quantity?
It is used for uncountable noun.
Yes, because
Sir, it
water
is
is
used before uncountable.
water is uncountable noun. Good, very good. In third sentence, let's find out. There are 6 rooms in this shoot. There are 6 rooms in this suite.
Six. Six.
And what type of adjective this one is?
Number.
Yes, right. Number.
Number.
Haven't you brought pencil? Have you brought pencil? Let's see the next sentence. Whose villa is this?
The whole.
Whose and this one?
Interrogative.
Interrogative one. Similarly, next sentence. Either boy can collect the money.
The either.
Either. It's time
Distributive adjective.
Yes, right. Good. Next. Which file are you going to buy? Six.
Which
Sir,
Which is our
adjective.
and which
interrogative adjective.
interrogative. Now in the seventh sentence, I am not concerned about his performance.
The concern.
No, his
Concern.
his performance. He is the adjective.
Possessive.
Possessive adjective.
Yes, possessive adjective.
Sir, possessive adjective.
He is adjective in the sentence. Underline it, and in the column given, space given in front of it, write possessive.
Possessive.
How can you make such a foolish move in this?
How?
No, how is not adjective. No, wrong.
How?
Foolish.
Foolish, yes, right.
Foolish.
Foolish is adjective, and which type
Sir,
of
इसमें
adjective?
foolish होगा.
Adjective of quality.
Adjective of quality.
Yes, very good.
Quality.
Good, right, quality. Ask again.
सर हाँ इंट्रोगेटिव है. हाँ इंट्रोगेटिव ना.
Who's outside? Sir,
क्या लिखा है?
Yes, who is kept outside the room?
who's?
Who
Interrogative adjective.
Interrogative adjective. Interrogative.
Very good, interrogative. In 10th sentence,
Sir.
employee was told to finish the work
Each.
on time.
Sir, each.
The distributive adjective.
Distributive adjective.
Okay, you all are right. Very good. We have finished this exercise as well. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now, worksheet 1 is given after.
फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में
क्या होगा?
Now,
ये
students-
आंसर दिस भी तो हो सकता है ना.
Yes, yeah. What are you asking?
क्या होगा?
सेंटेंस में दिस दिया है तो दिस भी तो हो सकता है।
This narrow passage.
तो दिस जो दिया है सो दिस डेमोंस्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव।
Yes, you are right. Who is the boy who is just no notice this one?
तो 6 का आंसर क्या होगा?
Nitin
सर
Yadav.
मैं
What is your name?
नो सर आरुषि गिरी।
Okay, Arushi Giri. Good, very good. Yes, in the very first sentence, this could be also adjective, students. Demonstrative adjective. So you can also underline that word and write its type, demonstrative.
सर लिखे
It's not my problem, it's book problem. And those who have published this book, you can ask him that why you have given such little space there.
क्वालिटी क्वांटिटी के ऊपर लिख
Any
दे
doubt to anyone?
ओ सर
सर 6 के आंसर क्या होगा?
सर दिस क्या होगा? डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव ना?
Yes, demonstrative. One student is asking about the sixth sentence. Can anyone tell me what is the adjective? Which no? Where is the adjective? in the
Which?
sixth sentence?
Which
Sentence.
interrogative
Yes,
adjective?
it's very easy. Which word is there? Interrogative adjective. Underline the which word and this one is interrogative. So students, now we will do the worksheet first. And because it's very important, because whatever so far in your grammar, your knowledge will be tested in the worksheet, because all the topics will be covered.
सर हम लोग को दे दीजिए हम लोग कर लेंगे।
Very good. Can you do it? So let do
सर
it
दे
right now.
दीजिए।
Do it live.
Yes, sir,
No
no
problem.
problem.
हो जाएगा।
Do it live.
ये सर कर ही लेंगे, इतना इजी है।
Yes. Okay, you all tell me what would be the subject and predicate in the first sentence.
Sir, my father and mother is
My father and mother.
academic predicate.
Known academic
Academic
ये
predicate.
My father and mother
Yes, sir, my
are
father
very
and
good
mother.
academicians. So in the very first sentence, okay. Okay, now in the you all tell me in the second sentence what would be the subject.
Bravery.
some bravery
नो सर
Silence.
सर होगा।
The bravery of the villagers.
Lawyer.
Just listen. The bravery of the villagers. The bravery of इसको line
bravery of
villagers. In the second sentence, this part is the subject. The bravery of the villagers. This part is the subject. And in the third one, try to find out the subject.
सर माय वर्ड्स
No.
sir my
To go back on my words.
on my words to go back on my words
These are the subjects. Entire this part. To go back on my words. This part is the subject. पूरा subject है आपका यहाँ पर. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And in the fourth sentence, you all try to find out the subject.
Rakesh.
Rakesh.
Sir arrive Rakesh
First
arrive
and
sir Rakesh
he.
and
Two
he
subjects there you can see in that sentence.
एंड ही भी
Yes. And in the fifth sentence, the big company pays
The
for
big
its workers.
company for
The big
for its
company.
worker.
the big company
Yes, the big
company
the big company
company. Okay, good. Now in the second exercise, a little bit tough one for you. Mahesh doesn't work hard to get good position in the class. Can anyone make question tag of this sentence? I challenge all of you to make question tag of this
Does he?
sentence. Is there anyone?
डज ही होगा सर।
Does?
does he work hard to get good position in the
Mahesh
class
doesn't work hard to get good position in this class. Very good. Who told? Does he?
सर आरुषि गिरी।
She is very good in grammar especially. Does he? Does he? Why we have no? We have written does he. Why we have not written doesn't he? Can anyone tell me?
Pinky sir does not he दिया है.
Sir does not hit.
Good, very good. Whenever the sentence is negative, we make a positive question tag, and whenever sentence is negative, we make a positive, we make a negative question tag. Okay. Let's find out what we need to do in the second sentence. Students were studying in the classroom, and what you
Were
need to do?
students studying in the classroom?
Not there.
You try to complete this worksheet by yourself. Okay. I know.
Okay,
you are
sir.
good.